Hey, and welcome to my channel, BRly. That's me. Beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna save the big bag for last. So here, this must be the regular glam bag. It's $12 a month. Regular glam bag. First item is a brush. Let's see. Firma Beauty brush. Brush 103. Can you read that? Okay, so out of that bag came here. I got a card here in this cute little bag. Sorry, I shouldn't be so shifty, but I am. Feels like fake leather plastic material, kind of, but I like it. I will definitely use it. I'll probably use this for more like a medicine bag, just because it zips all the way, and it's, I don't know. I'm 31. I gotta take some medicines, so it'd be nice to have them in my purse. Okay, this little card, it looks like, it says, time to unbag. Meet your 5 welcome bag products. Then head to ipsy.com/blog or follow us on Instagram at Ipsy for tutorials and expert info and tips. Okay, it gives information about your items. This says Firma Beauty Elite B103 Angled Contour Brush. Contouring takes time and practice, but don't worry. This top-rated brush is designed to sit right under your cheekbones to defy them with minimal effort. Plus, this handcrafted synthetic bristles hold powder without any spillage for streak-free application. This is really soft, I must say. Tip, this versatile brush is also the perfect size and shape for applying your highlighter. Ooh. Full size, MSRP $14.99. But I don't know what MS stands for, so if you know, let me know in the comments below. Ooh, I'm a poet and didn't know it. Can y'all hear my squeaky chair I'm sitting on? Sorry. I will try not to be so squeaky. Okay, so $14.99. The whole bag was $12 plus tax. It's already paid for with this super soft brush. Sorry, it feels really good. Okay, let's see what else is inside the bag. What should I get first? This is kind of like most obviously on top. It is, do you know how to say this? I'm pretty sure I'm somewhat dyslexic, so probably not ever going to say anything right. Geo? I don't know. Gayo? I don't know. Farewell phrase. Other words I can't pronounce. Rosa Rocco? Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Let's see what our little card has to say about this. This is 0.75 fluid ounces or 22 milliliters. Briogeo, I don't know. Hair care farewell phrase. Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to stop trying to pronounce it and just be like, here, this is what it is. Beauty editors agree. This is a miracle mist. It is packed with the hydrating, frizz-fighting benefit of hair cream. Thanks to the mix of argan, coconut, and rosehip oils. But the cool, milky formula is really lightweight, so it won't weigh down your hair. Tip. Relax midday. I guess I could show it to you while I'm reading. Relax midday frizz by misting a bit into your palms and smoothing over flyaways. Deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product, which is 148 milliliters, is $20. I wonder how much, this much of the full product, I wonder how much this much is, if that makes any sense. It does spray. It is milky. Let's see if it helps anything with this craziness. Ooh, it's like instant obedience. I don't know about y'all. I was raised in the 90s, and my folks were especially my dad, it was instant obedience. If he said to do something and you didn't do it, if you didn't get off your butt right away, then it was you disobey. It was instant obedience. But like, look, this is like instant obedience. Like, ooh, I like it. Like, that's working for me. I might, that sample might go pretty fast. Like, you don't understand. I live in Mississippi. My hair does kind of look wet now, though, but it might just be because it's so black, and I'm not used to it being black. Sorry, ADD. My hands are not like, they're not tacky, you know? A lot of hair products, when you put them on your hands, they're like, ew, afterwards. Like, did I just put that in my hair? Because my hands feel weird. But, like, my hair feels soft now. I don't want to stop touching it. And I feel like it did control some of that craziness. I mean, I'm crazy. My hair's going to be crazy, but, like, intentional crazy, maybe. Anyways, next thing, I do like this. It smells, it doesn't smell bad. And it doesn't bother me. Like, I'm not like, oh my gosh, I'm going to have a headache. Like, you can smell stuff and, like, know immediately that's going to be bad for me. But what did it say it had in it? Rose hip oils. I think that's the main thing that I smell. It kind of smells old lady-ish, like grandma lotion almost. So it's not like, hey, I'm young and flirty, smell my hair. It's kind of like, I have to use it on my hair. I hope you don't mind. It doesn't smell bad. Don't get me wrong. It doesn't smell bad. It does smell like more like lotion though. Anyways, let's see what else is in here. Oil Shine Control from Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's not sealed, but like, I felt it like click open, if you know what I mean. Kind of like when you open your milk jug. Let's see. Ooh, can you see that? Very soft, and thick. I've never used primer before that I know of. Just rubbing that on right there. And it feels like a thorough coat. I don't know, like thick lotion kind of. I don't know what primer's supposed to feel like, but it does dry very quick. I'm excited to give that a try. Let's see what it says about that. Let me show it to you while I'm reading it. Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. An Ipsy makeup kit essential. This Shine Control Primer preps your skin for makeup that flawlessly stays in place all day long. The weightless gel formula. Gel. That makes more sense. It does feel like a gel. Sorry. Digress. The weightless gel formula gives a skin. The weightless formula. Guys, I just cannot. I'm gonna try again. The weightless gel formula gives skin a matte, soft focus finish, creating the perfect canvas for your foundation, concealer, and powders. Tip: have combo skin. Use the primer on the oily areas to create an even and flawless canvas. Deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product is 1 ounce and is $39. This sample size is 1/4 of that. It is 0.25 fluid ounces. For this much, it would be $10. $10, y'all. That bottle looked good. Sorry, I just like shook the whole world free. My bad. I did it again. Just to be like, hey, I did that. My computer is sitting on my ironing board. My current setup. Okay, next. Look at here. I got these tape stuck on my finger. Oh, it's bothering me. Okay. Fancy. Excited to have those. Very beautiful. Illuminati quad palette. Oh, let's read about it. That's what I want to do. Okay. Put the brush down. Hold this up. Okay. And put my face in it at the same time. Okay. Illuminati Cosmetics Quad Eyeshadow Palette in Enlightened. The only 4 matte and shimmer shadows you need to stun this fall? You're looking at them. These powder shadows are highly pigmented, so what you see in the pan is what you'll see on your lids. Plus, they're 100% vegan and cruelty-free too. Tip: swirl your pinky into a shimmer shade and tap onto your inner corners to make your eyes pop. Full size, MSRP $21. Last thing in here is a little cute mascara sample. Let's see what it has to say. Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Smoky Eye Mascara in Black. This pro-level mascara volumizes, lengthens, and transforms any eye look with a few swipes of its jet black formula. The wand's thicker brush evenly combs through lashes for a clump-free finish, while the tapered tip grabs those small, hard-to-reach lashes in the corners. Tip: gently wiggle the wand horizontally from the base of your lashes to the tip. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full-size version of this product, which is 5.9 milliliters, is $31. This sample size is 3 milliliters, so about half. So this little bit would cost about $15.50 if my math is correct. Okay, so this was the $12 bag. Comes with a bag that I will use, and if I don't, someone in my family will. I love the mascara that came with it. I probably won't use this primer, but maybe I will. Like, I haven't used primer before. I'll give it a try. I'm excited about this, like, anti-frizz, okay, excuse me, Farewell Frizz leave-in conditioner spray. Like, I liked the texture of that. I mean, it's not like a styling project. It's not like a styling product, but like it definitely contains some frizz. And in Mississippi, we deal with some frizz. And this eyeshadow, like, I'm excited to play with it. Definitely worth $12. Like, I hope that as I continue using their services, that it continues to be that, not profitable, but that much of a payoff. Like,